we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to pronounce more interesting names from Spanish. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce it in Spanish as well as how to say it easily in English. In Spanish, this is normally said as Che, el Che Guevara, Che Guevara. Pretty straightforward, right? Che Guevara. However, in English, it is usually pronounced as Che Guevara. Che Guevara, from Spanish, Che Guevara. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.